Hi, everybody, and welcome to another Ozcode interview. Today, I'm talking to Ozcode CEO Shimon Hason. Hey, Shimon.
Hi, Rami.
So it's great to have you with us here today at Ozcode, Shimon. And, we're all about debugging in live environments and observability. Tell me, how is it that you got into this domain?
Thank you, Rami. I got into this domain when I met Omer, the founder CTO of Ozcode, basically showing how he's taking the time travel debugging technology into live environment, whereas that QA pre-production or production environment. And I was very excited about the potential of this technology to change the way developers work.
Why? Did you have some bad experiences with debugging in production in the past?
Of course.
Can you tell me about those?
Sure. I have a few examples. One of them is when I was a startup CEO with a very large strategic customer that was very important for us, obviously. And they were having issues in production, and we couldn't understand what are those issues and why those issues happen. And you start to go back and forth and sending them a new release that will maybe just provide you with more information, and still you cannot get enough data. You're trying to get the database from the customer, the configuration, trying to reproduce that locally with no success. And meanwhile, the clock is ticking, people are shouting, and it's really not a nice experience.
Yeah, I guess that's not a situation you want to be in as a startup working with your big customers, having to go back and forth like that to fix these issues. What kind of tools did you have that you were working with at the time?
Yeah, we will use the traditional log collection and APM tools, and basically trying to look into the setup of the system to see if we could do that locally. And then use a local debugger, right? You could not use a debugger in live environments. And so you have to rely on these observability output tools, right? And so those are the traditional tools that you use when you have this kind of issues.
So what kind of things did Omer tell you about that got you excited?
The ability to capture the error autonomously and to provide the full fidelity time travel information about the error, meaning showing like a movie, like a recording of a movie. Hey, this is the code and this is how things happened. Basically, you get all the reproduction captured. That got me super excited. And then the second thing, which is the ability to add dynamically new instrumentation. You can add logs, metrics, traces dynamically without going through the code changes and releasing a new version. That I think those two things together with the collaboration make it like an ideal situation for any developer and other software professionals that want to make sure that the software is working smoothly and reliability and everything is being addressed quickly.
Yeah, got it. Debugging like a movie and dynamic logs.
Yeah.
Great. So I guess that wraps it up for us here today. Thanks, Shimon, and let's all keep a lookout for our next Ozcode video.
Thank you, Rami.